Alright, I finally got it. This is the Xiaomi Pad 7. It's the successor to the really popular Mi Pad 6 from 2023. I ordered this on Amazon and got the delivery like next day. In this video, I want to unbox the Mi Pad 7 and share my initial impressions with you guys, compare it a little bit to the Mi Pad 6 and also find out if the stylus from the Mi Pad 6, which is the Xiaomi Pen Generation 2, still works on the Mi Pad 7 because there is a new stylus for this tablet. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so taking a look at the box itself, we have the picture of the tablet itself on the front, and towards the back we have some, highlights. I'm not going to read those. Let's just get into the unboxing itself. First things first, we have the tablet itself wrapped in this, protective film. Let's leave that to the side and take a look at what else comes in the box. So we have two compartments right here. One has your accessories, which is the charging cable and the adapter, and this other Xiaomi pack should have, your documentation. This tablet does not have, LTE, so there is no SIM ejector tool. Yes, we have a quick start guide. Don't really need to read that, but okay. Let's just set that to the side and get to the accessories. So this time around, Xiaomi has upgraded the power adapter. So we get a 45 watt power adapter compared to the 33 watt, which we got with the Mi Pad 6. So the battery capacity remains the same, but the charging will be quicker since the adapter is now more powerful. And we also have the USB-C to A cable for charging and desyncing. Now, there is a difference here. So the Pad 7 actually has a Type-C port, which is 3.2, but it does not have video out. So you cannot get display output, but with the Mi Pad 6, you could. Now, taking a look at the tablet itself, let's peel that plastic off. I actually have it in the graphite color, but this graphite is actually different from the graphite on the Mi Pad 6. Let's get rid of this sticker. And there is a sticker on the pogo pins as well. Let's take that off. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick color comparison from the Mi Pad 6. So this is the Mi Pad 6 in graphite, this is the Mi Pad 7. They're slightly different and slightly different design on the camera module as well. All right, now doing some quick comparisons with the Pad 7 versus the Pad 6. In terms of weight, we're getting 506 grams on the Pad 7. The website says it's 500 grams, and the Pad 6 is actually lighter since it's 487, and Xiaomi's website says it's around 490. So that's that. The Pad 6 is actually thicker at 6.51 millimeters, and the Pad 7 is thinner, coming in at 6.18 millimeters. And they're both, metal on the back, Gorilla Glass 3 on the front, but something you can actually feel in real life is the size of the bezels. So the Pad 7 has significantly thinner bezels compared to the Pad 6. This has got thicker bezels, and it's also a bigger screen. So the Pad 7 is an 11.2 inch 3.2K display, and the Pad 6 has an 11-inch display, so this is higher resolution and bigger. You also have 144 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rate on both of them. Both support HDR as well as Dolby Vision. Both have quad speakers and Dolby Atmos support. So for video watching, playing games, movies, they're both really good. And the Pad 6 is actually retailing for a really low price now, around 21,000 rupees. I wouldn't say you should buy it because the Snapdragon 870 in here is kind of old now, whereas the Pad 7 for a slightly higher price gives you the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3. You also have 8 gigabytes of RAM here and 128 gigabytes of storage. This is the base variant which I have. This started at 6 gigabytes. And if you get the 12256 variant of the Pad 7, you will get UFS 4.0 storage. So that's that. Now, something I was really curious about was, would the Xiaomi Pen from the Mi Pad 6, which is the Generation 2 pen, work with the Mi Pad 7? So I, go ahead into stylus and keyboard. It says just place the stylus. It still sticks on and it knows that a stylus has been attached. Bluetooth is on, but it is not pairing. So sadly, the old pen does not work with the Pad 7. You will have to get the Xiaomi Focus pen, which is 6,000 rupees. There is also a folio keyboard, which is like 9,000 rupees. I think the accessories are kind of on the higher side, but if you want the complete experience, you should get the pen and the keyboard. If you don't write a lot and you're not taking notes, you're not drawing stuff, don't get the pen. Just get the keyboard because it is a value add-on. It helps you enhance the experience. And that's pretty much it for my initial impressions of the Pad 7. This is my unboxing, and I will be doing a detailed comparison between the Pad 7 and the Pad 6, also giving you guys a detailed review later on once I've had some time with this device. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.